Look at those trees. So cool, so beautiful. And you know what? It's making me hungry. You ready to try and do some dinner? Yeah, I got something special for you. Let's do it. Oh! Hey folks, David aka RVJedeye, and we are going old school tonight. We're gonna do a bacon wrapped asparagus with a good old-fashioned ribeye steak, and then we're going to finish it off with a baked potato, a cracked baked potato, and then we're going to do just a little bit of a twist. We are going to do roasted mushrooms and onions in a buttermilk sour cream sauce that will roast on the fire as well. So first we got to get everything going. We got to wrap our bacon, and that's the first thing we want to do before we start setting up that fire. Wrapping the asparagus is pretty easy. I just cut off the ends of the asparagus, clean them off, and then take about 4 or 5 stalks, wrap them in bacon, and just use that to hold it all together before I get them ready to go on the grill. So the asparagus is now wrapped in bacon. We want to get the fire going because we want to get the potato on first. That's going to take the longest to cook, and then we'll season the steak before we put that on the grill. Now to make my cracked potato, the first thing you want to do is wash off a potato. You want to poke that thing to make sure that when you cook it, everything, all the air and everything gets through it. I then take a little olive oil, wipe it down, rub it all over, and then, yeah, Old Bay. That's the key to a good cracked potato. Potato is on the grill. It's now time to work on the steak. Now for this, I'm just using a simple dry rub of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We'll use a little olive oil on both sides of the steak and then take our dry rub and put it on both sides. We'll let that sit for a little bit before we put it onto the grill. Now with the steak on the grill, what we'll do is start working on the mushrooms. Now I'm going to coat the mushrooms in a little garlic, a little salt and pepper, and then we'll grill that on the grill straight on. Then we'll take a cast iron skillet. I have some bacon fat that I cooked out earlier this morning for breakfast. We'll put that into the pan. We'll add the mushrooms a little bit later, and then the onions as well. We'll take all of that, cook that up, get that nice and toasty, take it off of the grill. We'll finish the mushrooms inside with some Ken's Steakhouse ranch dressing, buttermilk style. We'll add a little bit of sour cream, and all of that will go to topping our steak. Everything is off the grill. The sauce for the steak is done. It's time to plate this bad boy up and chomp on it. Voila, there you have it. Grilled steak with an onion and mushroom, sour cream and Ken's dressing, steakhouse dressing, buttermilk ranch. You've got bacon wrapped asparagus, and you have my cracked potato, which basically has some Old Bay on it. It all looks fantastic. I've got Sierra Nevada Pale Ale. That's what we're going to eat. And later on for a movie, I'm going to go old school. Check out RoboCop. Let's try this though first. fantastic. I love a great steak on the road. This is the perfect way to end a day. What's my motto? You got it. No need to eat poorly on the road, and this definitely is not eating poorly. I'll put a link to how I did all of this in the description below. You can do this. You can do stuff just like this when you're out in your RV, or even if you're just chilling in your backyard. I hope you'll enjoy. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, have fun, chef it up. It's all worth it. We'll see you next time.